how's everybody doing on this glorious, we call it Monday. Extra little loud show for the people. It's like, dude, it's 8 o'clock. Everybody wake up. You know, I would appreciate it if somebody drove past my house at like 6:30 on a loud Ducati, and that's how I woke up. But that's me. That's because I'm a positive person who is happy. Yeah, right. Ain't that the fucking lie? Oops, sorry. I'm out of control. I'm out of control. Cutting people left, cutting people off right. I'm just out of control. Yeah, what was I saying? How I'm a happy person? Yeah, exactly. So, another busy day ahead at my job, which I don't really get into details much, but there's some things happening. But I'm just not gonna stress because it's part of life, you know? There's only so much you can stress out about. So, oh well. Here we go. Beautiful. I had to, what do you call it, make some moves. That lady must have been listening to her headphones so loud, she didn't even hear a loud ass bike coming her way. Oh well, that fucking happens. Oh, look at that monkey hanging in that thing. I like it. These vans are the shit. That's a big strong van right there, a little Dodge. I don't even know what the name of these vans are, but always liked them. Oh, it's like 40 degrees right now. Oh, look at these new tags. Never noticed them before. I wonder what they're gonna build on this corner. This little section here, see the green fence over there? That's been blocked off for so long, for like years. For like freaking 5 years at least. I would like to see some fancy shops here and some nice restaurants. You know, maybe like a nice business or two. Maybe a motorcycle business of some sort. Oh, look at that Datsun 210. Sick! Here we are. Nice. The bike is running pretty good today. Can't complain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day for a ride in Brooklyn. Just want to thank everybody for watching and tuning in to my little vlogs. My video logs of my daily ridings. I have a lot of awesome new subs from all over the world, you know, Brazil, Portugal, Russia, Ukraine, all the people giving the shout outs. Appreciate it. Good stuff. And actually my previous vlog that I just recorded was in Russian, and it's kind of embarrassing because I literally constantly just kept saying, oh, I don't know what to say, so we'll see how that turned out. Son of a bitch. How are you gonna pull through? Oh, my bike sounds freaking mean as machine. Woo! Nice. Wow, I do love this bike. This bike is just a mean machine. It does rumble like a tumble. Vape life, Vape Nation. It does rumble like a tumble. I don't know how a tumble rumbles, but it's something similar to what this thing does, I'm sure. God damn it, it's about that time. Son of a bitch, son of a breadbasket, son of a cookie monster. There's just always traffic here, and I'm about to get back on this road going that way, but in the car, because I got to take care of some shit for work. So I actually brought my head strap for the GoPro, so I'm gonna do a little car vlog. Why not? I'm gonna do a little car driving vlog. I don't do those often, but once in a while, you'll see what it's like to drive. Drive a car in New York City, as opposed to just with a little bicycle with a motor that I can put anywhere and go however I want. A big SUV is a little different. I find myself driving a car in traffic kind of like I ride my motorcycle. Like, you go for these gaps that normally you wouldn't, and you just have better spatial feeling about the size of your vehicle and where you can put it and how you can put it there. So that's pretty cool. All right. Nice little antenna there. Looks like a cop car. I don't think it is, but you know, you can never tell with these sons of bitches. See that little round thing? Yeah, usually a Popo has that kind of shit. This guy could be like a sick-ass undercover driving with a little, they don't usually do the aromatic trees, the cops, so that's how I know this guy is probably not a Popo. But look at this, we're pulling up to gorgeous Dumbo, once again, down under Manhattan Bridge overpass. It's pretty nice. Gonna go to the right lane. Person is not trying to flex move. Here we are. .4°C, 8:30. Not so bad. 40. Yeah, I'm surprised I'm this cold and it's 40 degrees. I'm actually surprised because later on in the week I'm going to be riding, it's going to be like 28 degrees, so watch out. Watch out. Might have to take the subway train a couple times this week. Nah, I'll be strong. I could do it. You think this person is gonna go around, or are they gonna take their sweet time, or I don't know. They're obviously a tourist. They're not from around here. Go ahead, buddy. Honda Odyssey life. Monday. Monday, I don't know what's happening here. Is this person turning or not? Freaking Momo bird. He's not very descriptive. It's alright. Oh boy. Oh boy. I could probably park right over here. I could, but I'll go around. I'll go around. No big deal. I'm a little disappointed that my my little what do you call it? My wind visor supposed to have what do you call it? You know, anti-fog pin lock thingy, and it's fogging up a little bit, which is terrible. Just terrible. Look at the Popo just chilling there. Nice. That's one hell of a parking spot. Not bad. There's a bike in front of that truck. Son of a bitch. It's alright. It's not a big... Somebody tried to peel off my other sticker too. Sons of bitches. Why do people do that? Why do people peel off stickers? Oh well. Not gonna get too upset about it.